Welcome to the competitive programming series. Today's question is given an integer array A of size n. The task is to find the sum of it. Import the required header files and namespaces, then take input of the size of the array. Declare a variable named as sum to store the sum of the elements of the array. Iterate till the size of the array. Take input as per the size of the array. But we won't be inserting those inputs in the array. After storing the input, add the value in sum. Now print the sum of elements of the array. Fourth, with compile and run code and check whether it is working fine or not. We solved our question step by step. Share your feedback and doubts with us. Stay tuned for the next problem. Thanks.